we are gonna jump right into the makeup tutorial part of this video. And I'm gonna start, as always, with my Pore Fessional Pore Minimizing Primer. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. All right, once that is all rubbed in, I just wanna mention this beauty blender. So it feels so good. It's bigger. I got it wet, so it is damp now. But just the sides and this bottom side is so cool. I am so excited to jump in and use this. I'm going to start with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place liquid foundation in the shade Linen. And I'm going to apply that to the back of my hand and then apply that all over my face. With my new beauty blender. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna start with one of the flat sides and see how I like that. If I don't like that, I'm gonna go to the bottom that is flat. So far I love this because I can just change the angle that I'm using it and it fits in all of the creases of my face. So I go to my nose, I can flip it this way. I can go to my chin and flip it this way. I can go under my eye and flip it this way. I love this beauty blender. I think because I always have issues with right in my nose here and in my eye to get it full covered, and this has all the different angles. You can just move it to fit. All right, so now that that's all blended in, I'm gonna let it give it a minute. It's gonna set into my face and become a mattifying foundation. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna grab my Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight underneath my eyes and down the center of my face. I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender and just blend all that out. And then to set all of the makeup I just put on, I'm gonna grab my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender straight into there and set all of the concealer I just put on. And then my favorite thing to do, I'm gonna take a large powder brush and I'm just gonna dust the rest of my face using my large powder F30 Sigma brush. I'm gonna dust the rest of my face so all of my foundation and my concealer is set. Which side do I use? I don't know, there's so many different sides. All right, now that that is all set, I'm gonna do a contour using my Hoola Benefit Mini Bronzer, and I'm gonna use my Sigma Dual Fiber F50 brush. I like this brush because it is very thick, and so you don't get such a direct line. You can kind of blend it out and make it look really pretty. Once that is all blended in, I'm actually just gonna take this big, large powder F30 brush and I'm gonna jump into my Pacifica Coconut Blush, and I'm gonna use this pink shade and kind of just add some color to the apples of my cheeks and make myself look like I got some color. All right, now I am gonna jump into some brows. So I'm gonna use my new brow pencil. And I'm really excited because it's supposed to be super easy. So I'm gonna grab the other side, just brush them out so I know what kind of shape I want to take here. So now that I got brows on, I actually really like this brow pencil. It is super easy to use, like it said. I feel like you have a lot of control over where it's going, where the color is going. And I picked a lighter color so that it really matched my brows well, and I really just need to fill in. I don't really need to fill in that much, but I do notice a difference when I don't have brows on, so. All right, brush those brows out one more time, and then we're gonna jump into the Soft Glam palette. I am going to a birthday party tonight, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do kind of more like a nighttime look. I'm just gonna grab my Sigma E35 tapered blending brush, looks like this. And I'm gonna jump right into this burnt orange color right here. And I'm gonna apply that in my transition area. So this is a super pretty light orange shade. It is not super pigmented, which is awesome for a transition shade. And I'm just gonna keep kind of blending that in. I'm gonna keep with my same brush and I'm gonna jump into this burnt orange color right underneath the orange soda. And apply that to the same area, just my transition area and my crease. Build up that color. I'm actually gonna use my Anastasia eye brush that came in the palette. And I'm gonna grab the sienna, it's kind of burnt orange brown color right there in the middle. And I'm gonna apply that to my crease and my outer corner. And I'm just gonna grab this burnt orange color with my tapered blending brush and just get this upper spot. All right, then I'm gonna go in with this sultry color right up here on the top. It is a shimmer shade. And I'm gonna grab the Eye Shading E55 Sigma brush. I am gonna spray that with my MAC Fix Plus, just because it is a shimmer shade and I want it to stick real good. And then for my inner corner, I am going to grab this glistening color right up on the top here. It is a gold shimmer shade. Oh my God, I almost just ruined my whole day. Okay. And I'm gonna use the other end of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came with it. I'm gonna spray that with my Fix Plus as well. This is turning out super, super pretty. I am grabbing that sultry pink color and just blending in the gold with the rose gold shade in the center of my eye. And then I'm just gonna darken up my outer corner a little bit more with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush it came with. And I'm gonna jump back into that sienna color in the middle. And I'm actually gonna mix that with this mulberry way in the corner and apply to my outer corner. And then to get the fallout from under my eyes, I'm going to grab a big, large Sigma F30 brush and flick off all of the fallout. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna highlight underneath my brow bone with this tempura, and I'm gonna use that same color to highlight my inner corner of my eye. And to do that, I'm gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the flat side. This might be my new favorite palette. So now that that's all finished, I am gonna grab some eyeliner. So I'm excited to use this eyeliner I've never tried before. And I'm gonna do the liquid eyeliner on the top with a wing, and I'm gonna use the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I'm just gonna draw my wing on, and let's see. So now that I have my eyeliner applied, I am gonna put on my BadGal Bang Benefit Mascara. It is brand new. I'm gonna apply a light coat to my lashes before I apply my fake lashes. I really like the wand. It really takes all of your eyelashes and separates them really nicely. So I do like this. And I actually am gonna put on a little bit of this black eyeliner in my waterline. This is the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. I'm gonna grab the BadGal Bang and put a coat on my lower lashes. Looking good. And now we're gonna go in with those lashes. So I'm gonna get some glue on them. So now that I have my lashes applied, I'm gonna add some highlight, and I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. And to apply that, I'm gonna use my tapered highlighter F35 Sigma brush. And to finish off, I am going to put on my Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Shameless on my lips. Wow. I really love this applicator because it is so pointed. It is super easy to direct where I'm going with that. And I really love this whole look together. To finish all the way, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. All right, this is the finished look for today. It is the Soft Glam look from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I had so much fun playing with all my new products with you today. If you liked anything and want to buy it, I'm going to link everything down in the description box except for the Sigma new beauty blender. You have to go see Josh and Brittany at the Mall of America Sigma store. And don't forget to mention Trena Marie Makeup, get an extra 15% off. Other than that, if you haven't yet liked this video, subscribe, and I will see you next week on my next video.